Welcome. So iOS 16 is released and today we are going to see how to bypass the iOS 16 iPhone 8 Plus with SIM. Okay, so it's work signal. So let's check. Now we just ensure that our phone is iCloud locked. Then we are going to bypass using iRemovaLPro tool, which is supported Windows. So no need to MacBook. Okay, so long time just we wait for the support of iOS 16 iCloud bypass with SIM, and finally it's released from the iRemovaLPro tool. Alright, so this is iCloud lock. So now we just connect the cable with PC, but Windows 11 user have some problem. I recommend you to use Windows 10, not the Windows 11. Okay, so we are open the iRemovaLPro tool and now click the jailbreak option. Our phone is connected. So when you click the jailbreak option, then when appear the jailbreak tool, then you have to close the iRemoval tool, and if your task manager show the 3U tool, so you have to also exit the tool. Wait some time, the jailbreak tool will be open. Okay, so when you see this tool, you have to close the iRemovaLPro, also the 3U tools, otherwise it will show error. Now click the option and allow untested, fix the driver, then back, and now start. Now phone goes to the recovery mode, and now click the start button and press and hold volume up and down, power and down. I release the power button but still hold the volume down button. Okay, now phone goes to the recovery DFU mode and it's booting. Wait some time. After done, the tool show your phone is supported or not. If there show your phone is supported, then you can submit your serial number and it will possible to bypass with SIM. Okay, now click the active button and it's processing. Okay, so our device is successfully activated and now we are check. So the phone is rebooting. Okay, now we check that our phone is work or not. Let's set up. Okay, so everything is done. Let me check the iOS version again, 16.1.1 and iPhone 8 Plus, and everything is work. Let me check. Yes, everything is work perfect.